What to know about SIM cards for carrier comparisons. When it comes to choosing a cell phone carrier, understanding SIM cards is key. Let's break down what you need to know about them. First, there are different types of SIM cards. The most common one is the Nano SIM. This card is removable and needs to be inserted into your phone manually. Most carriers support Nano SIMs, making them a great choice for devices that might need maintenance or replacement. Next, we have the MFF2 SIM, also known as the embedded SIM. This type is built directly onto the device's circuit board during manufacturing. Since it is not removable, it is often used in devices where space is tight or where security is a concern. Then, there is the eSIM, which stands for Embedded Universal Integrated Circuit Card. eSIMs are also embedded but have a unique feature. They allow you to switch between carriers without physically changing the SIM card. This is especially handy for people who travel internationally or need to change carriers frequently. Now, let's talk about how these SIM cards fit into carrier comparisons. Coverage and network quality can vary significantly between carriers. For instance, Verizon and AT&T are known for their reliable coverage, while T-Mobile often gets attention for its fast 5G speeds. When looking at data plans and pricing, you will find a wide range of options. Some carriers, like Mint Mobile and Visible, focus on affordability, while others, like Verizon and T-Mobile, offer premium plans with added features. If you travel a lot, consider carriers that provide strong international coverage. Google Fi and T-Mobile's premium plans are popular choices for frequent travelers. It is also important to check if your device is compatible with the type of SIM card your chosen carrier requires. Many modern smartphones support both physical SIM cards and eSIMs, allowing for dual SIM functionality. This means you can use two different phone numbers or plans on the same device, which is great for separating personal and business use. Lastly, think about whether you prefer prepaid or postpaid plans. Prepaid plans requiring you to pay upfront for services, while postpaid plans bill you at the end of the month. Your choice of SIM card may depend on which billing method you prefer. By understanding these aspects of SIM cards and how they relate to carrier comparisons, you can make better choices when selecting a cell phone plan that fits your needs.